Hello, in front of me I've got CUBOT MAX 3. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet and tap Add to Wallet. Now focus on Transit Pass, Realty and Gift Card. Firstly, let's enter the Transit Pass. And if you are able to find your transit way selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. Now let's select Loyalty Card and select card you would like to add. Enter member ID, tap Add to Wallet, and also you can scan your card. And it's done. In the end, let's select Gift Card, and similar to Loyalty Card, select Shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes, and tap Add to Wallet. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.